Hello guys, welcome to this new video. This is Lucky Basel from Digital Master YouTube channel where we discuss about many different types of opportunity to learn online and make money with them and tips and tricks to boost our income gradually. Today we are going to discuss about wealthy affiliate. It is a system where you can learn and earn both at the same time. You can join this system with the link in the description. When you click that link, you will be redirected to this page where you can see all the ongoing events and activity of participation in these systems. And here you have to fill your best email, and you can read all the things here. No credit card required. Here you can see all the part. Here you can see all the partnership companies such as Amazon, eBay, Shopify, YouTube, etc. Here you can see the overview of the system. The it's have been 17 years and it is in 193 countries all over the world. Almost 1.5 million people have joined this system so far. And you can see 10,000 plus new businesses built monthly and 1,800 plus experts coaches and all to 23,000 people help daily. You can see the potential of this system. To get started, you just need to put your best email here and click the get started button. Then you will redirect it to this page where you can see all the information you need to get started with the system. Here you can see home, training and website. Here you can see, here you can get all your trainings and information you need to. You can start this training for free. Let's continue here. Here you can see what are the lessons and what are the activities you need to do in order to success, and all the system. Here you can see setting up your website, understanding how to make money online. All the topics are covered with this system. Here you can see text plus video and step by step image. Here you can see what steps you need to do. Everything is step by step and various of methods of learning. Here you can see all the trainings you can complete for free and comment down below. Here you can see all the tasks you need to complete and click the whatever you completed. And let's go back. This system has very interesting training system. Here you can see you can get all the trainings you need. Here you can see different topics of training just like affiliate program, Facebook, Pinterest, social media marketing. All the trainings are available for everyone. Some of them are only for upgrade and some of them are for everyone. Here you get Zaxi, the free keyword research tool. You'll get 30 searches for free. Here you can see side rank. You can check your side rank for free. You have got 30 side ranks remaining. Here you can promote these systems and earn money. And you can, the best part of this system is you will get free website building with this system. Build a website, you'll get one free website builder for free, but if you upgrade you will get 10 websites including the hosting. If you upgrade these systems for $49, you will get all the hostings for free for 10 websites. And if you don't, you'll get only one hosting for free, and you'll get free domain too. You can publish articles in this system. In this channel here you can see my 650 words article. I have only published only one article in this event, and here you can see the ranking level 1. I'm in level 1 out of 5. Here you can see all the information. You can see top blogs, which are the top blogs in the currently. You can see all top 10 blogs which are current ranking and getting more views with this system. You can follow the mentors and learn from them. You can see hot topics, which are hot topics in these systems with all over the globe. Website also, new classes, you can see new classes, new blogs, you can see, you can analyze and learn from the all the various things here. You can make with new questions and trainings, top trainings. Which are the top trainings you need to get? You can see get started level 1 you will get for free, and if you for 7 days with the free account you will get access to all of these trainings. After 7 days you have to upgrade, or you can get with for free version. I'm getting 30% off for the limited time, and I'm gonna upgrade this, and I'll make another video after upgrading the system. Here you can see what you will get for when you upgrade your account. Here you can see all the differences between premium and starter. Private, you will get private coaching also. You will get an expert network. You can network with experts, ask them, connect with them, and talk to them, learn from them. Everything you can do. You will get all the support SSL, which costs $15 to $20 maybe, for free with a free version, and also from the premium version, security for your blog and website builder for free. And all these are the differences between premium and starter version of the system. This costs $49 a month, and you will get from, if you join through my link, you will get $30 off for limited time. That will remain only for 7 days. After 7 days you have to pay regular price of $49 to upgrade your premium. Uh, if you upgrade to upgrade premium, has weekly live classes, support, unlimited support, premium trainings, and much more. 10 websites for free and hosting included. That's the everything you need to learn about. We'll discuss more things and how we promote these systems in a few in future videos. This much for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel